And other than the 午饭, lunch, another word we use a lot in daily life is 午休. Shou in Chinese is Xiu, first tone. Shou in Chinese means rest. So 午休 basically is lunch break. To a lot of foreigners, it's very difficult to understand that why Chinese sleep on their desks in the office. That feels really strange to a lot of foreigners, right? But in China, actually, it's a very common thing that to take a short nap after your lunch, because that's the time you feel sleepy, right? People in the cities now actually drink a lot of coffee, but usually Chinese are not used to coffee. In the small cities, some Chinese can go back to their home for lunch, so they'll simply have a nap at home. But if they work in the office, they still have that habit, which is also okay in Chinese culture. So that's not presenting you're being lazy. So 午休, 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 lunch break. If you